Some of the disciples and followers of Jesus were boasting about themselves. When Paul came to know about this, he tells the Corinthians, if they have a right to boast about themselves, I too have a right. Are they Israelites? So am I. Are they Hebrews? So am I. Are they sons of Abraham? So am I. Are they disciples of Christ? I'm a better one, he says. Then he says, I'm speaking like a madman. And then he shares how much he suffered for Christ. Is Paul boasting about himself? It appears like that, but not. That is not his intention. His intention is to give a lesson to the Corinthians. Because Corinthians, being Greek, they thought they are higher than others and all other people are lower. So Paul wants to remind them, it is not your place of birth. It is not the family where you are born. It is not your language, your culture, your skin color, your studies or your riches give you the identity. The true identity comes that you are a believer and follower of Christ. Are we practicing this in Goa? Ask yourself,